Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Atlas V6 SEL Premium R-Line. Total price on this one comes to $53,425. This one's deep black over Shetland and quartzite leather interior. This one has the V6. And it's pretty much as fully loaded as you can get. Just make sure there's no rain on the camera. There we go. I can tell you right now, that's not mine. Come on. Sliding visor. I see it. Yes. Awesome. Let's go ahead. Take this thing out on the road. If you hear any squeaking, my shoes are wet and they squeak when they're wet. Sorry. I mean, I could do left foot braking, but that's just not going to end well. I already know. V6 has made it to the 8-speed. Yeah, 8-speed automatic, I believe. That's a fantastic powertrain. I'll try left foot braking to minimize the squeaky. It's not a squeak no matter what I do, so whatever. I've tried drying off my shoes, nothing. So bad. What a phenomenal package. This thing is just awesome. All in all, this thing is just awesome. I love them. I've driven a few of them now. They're not bad at all. Super comfortable on a day-to-day basis. I have no complaints with these at all. It's like that SpongeBob episode with the squeaky boots. What am I doing? My mind's gone. I'm like, alright, I'll listen to the music again and all that. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.